In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks in Zoho Mail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring in your existing tasks so you can manage everything right inside Zoho Mail. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or organization, especially if you manage multiple accounts, because your tasks are tied to the specific account you're currently using. Once you're inside Zoho Mail, look for the To-Do or Task area. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the left sidebar or along the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on To-Do. This will open your task dashboard where you can see your existing task lists, due dates, and any categories you've set up. Now that you're in the To-Do section, move your mouse to the top right corner of the task panel. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu contains several advanced options for managing your tasks, including exporting and importing. From the drop-down that appears, look for the import option and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to bring tasks from another tool or from a file into Zoho Mail. Before you go further, it's a good idea to have your import file ready. Zoho usually supports common formats like CSV or other task export formats, so make sure your file is properly formatted and saved somewhere you can easily access, like your desktop or downloads folder. Once you click import, a new window or dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the file you want to upload. Click the button to browse your computer, choose your prepared task file, and confirm. After selecting the file, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to map fields such as task name, due date, priority, or category to ensure everything lines up correctly in Zoho. Take a moment